Stage technology applications around the world rely on energy and data transmission systems from Conductix-Wampfler. Our systems allow the show to go on. For example, underneath rotating stages, our pre-assembled slip ring assemblies move electric power and data from the stationary feed point to the revolving stage machinery. Our energy-guided chains are used on stage lifts to consolidate various cable types and cable cross-sections into one protective unit. We offer a wide range of conductor rails as another way to power a revolving stage where the installation heights are low. Scenery wagons, used to support and transport movable three-dimensional theatrical scenery, rely on inductive power transfer systems from Conductix-Wampfler. IPT is the perfect solution, offering contactless power and data transmission that is completely hidden from the audience. For mobile media towers in the wings, conductor rails provide a compact solution with a very high power bandwidth. Festoon systems used to manage stage cables guarantee reliable transmission of data signals. As a critical part of overstage machinery, our electrical performers are behind the scenes supplying movable light and sound. With our silent running spring-driven and motor-driven reels, cables no longer need to be managed by hand. In addition to being mounted in fixed positions, our cable reels can also be used in flexible situations to provide support where you need it. When it comes to finding the optimum solution for your stage and theater applications, call Conductix-Wampfler. We move your stage business.